Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails. Whether you're sending professional work emails, replying to clients, or just chatting with friends and family, spelling mistakes can sometimes slip through without you noticing. Thankfully, Outlook includes built-in spelling and grammar tools that can automatically review your writing and help you catch errors before sending your message. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to enable spell checking features in Outlook on the web step by step, and I'll also show you a few extra editor settings that can improve your overall email writing experience. Let's get started. First, open your Outlook. After opening, you'll arrive at the Outlook dashboard. This is where you can manage your inbox, calendar, contacts, and email settings. Now, look toward the upper left corner of the screen and click New Mail. This opens a fresh email composition window where we can access the writing and editor tools. Once the new message window appears, direct your attention to the top right corner of the email editor. You'll notice a three-dot icon, sometimes called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. A drop-down menu will appear with several additional features and settings related to composing emails. From this menu, look for the option called Editor and click on it. The Editor tool is Microsoft's built-in writing assistant for Outlook. It helps review your spelling, grammar, punctuation, and even writing clarity while you type your emails. After opening the Editor section, you may see suggestions and customization options appear on the side of the screen. Now, scroll through the available settings until you find the Customization or Writing Preferences section. This is where you can control how Outlook checks your emails while you're typing. Make sure spelling suggestions and grammar suggestions are enabled. Once these options are turned on, Outlook will automatically underline spelling mistakes and grammar issues in your email drafts. Typically, misspelled words appear with a red underline, while grammar suggestions may appear with blue or purple underlines depending on your Outlook version. If Outlook notices an error, you can simply right-click the highlighted word or phrase to see correction suggestions instantly. This can save a lot of time compared to manually proofreading every email before sending it. Another useful feature inside the editor settings is writing refinement. Some versions of Outlook can suggest clearer wording, more professional phrasing, or improved sentence structure. This is especially helpful for business communication or formal emails. Now, here's an important thing to remember. The spell check feature works best when your browser language and Outlook language settings match the language you normally type in. If Outlook seems to flag correct words as mistakes, you may need to adjust your language preferences in the Outlook settings menu. You should also keep your web browser updated because some spelling functionality partly relies on browser support as well. Once you've enabled the editor and spell check features, you can simply continue typing your emails normally. Outlook will automatically monitor your writing in real time and help catch mistakes as you go. This makes composing emails faster, cleaner, and much more professional. Before sending important emails, it's still a good idea to quickly review your message manually, especially for names, dates, attachments, and email addresses. Spell check is helpful, but it may not catch every context-related mistake. So just to quickly recap, you opened Outlook, signed into your account, clicked New Mail, opened the three-dot menu, selected Editor, and enabled spelling and grammar suggestions. With these settings turned on, Outlook will automatically help improve your email writing and reduce typos while you compose messages. And that's it. You now know how to turn on auto spell check for Outlook emails and take advantage of Microsoft's built-in editor tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more Outlook and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.